This video is created by India Today Tech. All the information in it is accurate, ethical, and has not been taken from any other source. The following video can be watched by people of all ages, and no animals were harmed while making this video. No dogs, and definitely no cats. It's important to clear all these things before we get into the video, and you know why, right? It's because of the new Digital Media Ethics Code. I don't want to take risks. Hi, you're watching India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain, and this is our latest Let's Get Techie video where we answer all your technology related questions. If you want to ask us anything, just put it in the comment box, use the Let's Get Techie, and we will take it in the next video. And hey, what about the gadget videos and not just the Q&A videos? Well, COVID disrupted everything. But soon, very soon, we are going to restart other videos as well. Also, like I said in the previous video, we are about to hit 1 lakh subscriber mark. So you should go and subscribe to India Today Tech if you haven't, because we do want that silver button. So go and subscribe somewhere here. Now let's begin with your questions. Srinivas writes, I am using OnePlus 7T. Can I take the Vivo X60 or OnePlus 9 series? Vivo X60 should be here very soon, and the same goes for the OnePlus 9 series. The X60 looks really powerful on paper. It features 5nm based Samsung Exynos 1080 chipset, and it also flaunts 48 megapixel quad camera setup at the back. But since you're already a OnePlus user, I would say why don't you wait and watch what OnePlus will bring to its upcoming phones. You may end up buying another OnePlus device, who knows, because of the features. And actually it will be better for you because you're already familiar with the OnePlus software. So I would say just wait for another 3 to 4 weeks. Next question. Mahua Das says, he says quite a lot. Thank you so much Pavni for solving my last query on which phone I should buy. You're welcome. Now I need to buy a good pair of Bluetooth plus aux on-ear headphones for my online classes under 1.5k. I really liked both Rockers 450, but after reading reviews that it breaks off due to being lightweight, I came for your help. Now I don't know which one I should buy. Both Rockers 370, 400, 450, 550 or Mivi Saxo or anything else. Too confused after reading reviews on Amazon and Flipkart. See the choices available in the market make it really confusing. There are a lot of earphones available, but considering your budget, which is 1.5k, I would say do not go for any of the both models. You can rather check out OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z or Oppo Enco M31. These are better choices for you. Both of these earphones come for rupees 2000, and even if you manage to get some discount or cashback offer or maybe bank offer, you can end up buying them for rupees 1700, which is actually a very good deal. So, but in case, like in particular, Bullets Z is really good. These are crazy good and last really long, like days of use. Also, if you are looking for something with better sound quality, you can go and check out Sony XB450AP. These are over-the-ear headphones and one of the company's most affordable pairs. So you can go and check it out, but for that you have to exceed your budget to 2500 rupees. So I've given you both the options. You can go and consider them and then pick one of them. BTD says, I want to buy a compact phone under 12,000 rupees. I just need a decent processor so that will last many years and 64GB space. I'm not so worried about the camera. I don't like very big phones which are difficult to fit in my pocket. Please can you suggest the smallest phones in my budget that are good to purchase? Thank you very much for making these videos. Welcome. We make them for all of you. And for your phone, see, there are not so many phones that may last many years, but it should last a couple of years if you're investing 12,000 rupees. So if I am buying a phone right now for 12,000 rupees, I will buy Redmi 9 Pro or Redmi 9 Prime if I want to save some money. Beyond Redmi's, you can check out Android One smartphone like Nokia 3.4. It comes with really better software, but the hardware is like really okay-ish. There's another very good option at 12,000 rupees, and that is Realme 7i. So you should check out all these phones and then decide. Gaurav Khetrapal writes, I want to purchase a new laptop. Asus ZenBook 13.3 inch Intel i7 11th generation versus Apple MacBook Pro 13 inch with new M1 chipset. Confused between them. Kindly give me suggestions so that I can easily choose. Given that you're considering to buy MacBook Pro, I am assuming that buying Windows is not a necessity for you. With this in my mind, I would recommend to go ahead with MacBook Pro. The M1 is much faster than Intel i7. It runs cooler and offers much better battery life. Actually, I have a question for you. Why do you want MacBook Pro? A better option is MacBook Air with M1 processor. If you want more performance, go with 16 GB RAM in the MacBook Air or maybe bigger SSD. We explained the differences between the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro in detail on our India Today website, so maybe check that out. Sanchita writes, best smartwatch under 3K. See, there are not many smartwatch options at Rs 3000. You generally get good fitness bands. But if you still want a smartwatch, then you have to exceed your budget a little bit. You can go and check out Amazfit Bip S Lite at Rs 3800. It comes with fairly decent performance and also lightweight in nature. Or you can consider Amazfit Bip U, which comes for Rs 4000. So this was today's last question. Thank you everyone for asking all the questions. Now you know the drill. Go like this video, share this video with your friends, and also do not forget to subscribe to India Today Tech. I'll see you in the next one.